أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال أمير المؤمنين في نهج البلاغة ازهد في الدنيا يبصرك الله عوراتها ولا تغفل فلست بمغفول عنك. Renounce this world, Allah will reveal you its shortcomings. Do not forget, you are not forgotten. In this world, what's the renouncement? If the person is doing well for the sake of Allah and everything in his life is not impressing from the point of view of this world, is not impressing upon him everything, it means that person has the renouncement. If the person has so much wealth and has the government and has the famousity, all these things will not impress upon the renouncement of that person if he is doing according the Sharia, according the Islam, if he is acting upon according the rules of the Islam. That's the renouncement person. What's the dunya? What's the world? Everything, for example, prayer, fast, hajj, khums, zakat, everything. If the person is doing for the showing off, it means it's a world. And if the person is doing for the sake of Allah, if he is earning money, earning wealth for the sake of Allah, it's not the world, it's the hereafter, it's the Islam. The intention of the person should be in every deed for the sake of Allah. It's the hereafter. That person will be related with the renouncement. After that, the Allah will give the knowing of the badness of the world. Allah will give the information for the Zahid person, for the renounced person, will give the bad direction, will give the information of the bad directions of the world, and the person can get the success of this life and in hereafter. In last, the Imam Ali alayhi salam saying, you should not forget yourself, you should not forget your duties, because if the person will forget his compulsory things, the miracles, our body is recording all our deeds, all our deeds are recordings. We are not forgotten from the Allah, from every our thing. We should ask from the Allah, oh my God, give me the power to obey you in total life. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.